Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint traveling opening slide in just 4 minutes. So you can free download this template from the link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and remove everything from it. Go to the format background, click on picture texture fill, go to insert tab and click on format file. And now what you're going to do is insert an image from your folders or your downloads. What we're going to do is insert this curve like shape, and you're gonna attempt to make this kind of shape which is curve like. Plus let me tell you that you can download this free image from Pinterest, or you can also get this from a freepic.com. So let's attempt once more to make this amazing shape. What we're gonna do is just make it uh, a bit of curve like this, remove its outline, and then move it to the right side. And we're going to cover the entire slide with a rectangle, remove its outline, and then send it to the back, select it, and then the shape, and then we're going to click on intersect option in merge options. Go to shape format and use eyedropper to give your shape a nice fill. Duplicate it and then duplicate it again a third time, put it onto the second one, and you're going to select both of them, leaving some space between them, and then intersect. Then you're gonna subtract them and move this one shape right here, make it rotating like, and send it to the back, change its fill to white, and then go to format shape and increase its transparency. Now close the format shape, and the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate the shape. You can duplicate the shape and use it on the other side as well, but if you want a more precise shape, what you're gonna do is just duplicate the first shape and duplicate it again, and you're gonna select both of them, go to merge options, click on subtract option, and put this right here. Change this fill to white, and you're gonna increase its transparency as well. Now close the format background, and the next thing you're gonna do is insert a text box and write your title in it and increase its size, change its fill as well. So the color I'm using is sky blue, and I'm gonna just put it right here. You can just put it wherever you want, but onto the shape in a nice pattern. Next, what we're gonna do is just paste your content text and change its fill if you want. But I'm just gonna use black. So the next thing we're gonna do is add some more content, details, and other stuff. And here you go. So this is how you do it. And the next thing you're gonna do is insert a round kind of rectangle for the search box. And we're gonna give it an outline. And let's just insert a search button. Here you go. And what we're gonna do is change this fill to white, and we're gonna insert rounded corner rectangles in which we're gonna put out other text, and that's how you do it. And you're gonna insert another word in it and give it fill if you want. Or this is the final result of what we made in this video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use.